Welcome back to Adanac Accent Coaching. I'm Allison. I'm your coach. Today I'm going to give a quick pronunciation tutorial about the difference between two words, relevant and prevalent. Now, the main difference I want you to pay attention to right away is this goes R-E-L-E-V, and this goes R-E-V-A-L. So the reason people mix these up sometimes is because they're so similar and it's easy to just switch those syllables around. And what people say by accident is they'll take the P from prevalent and they'll tack it onto the beginning of this and they'll say prelevant. But what they're meaning to say is prevalent. So let's just look at the syllable structure. 3 syllables, stress on the first syllable, rel, unstressed vowel sound in the middle, VNT ending. I've just used a syllabified N as the nucleus for this syllable because I don't really hear a vowel sound or even a schwa sound. So sometimes the nuclei of your syllables will be a vocalic consonant sound instead of a vowel, and that's just how it goes sometimes in English. So relevant, relevant, relevant. That's how we say relevant. Prevalence, stress is also on the first syllable. We have a schwa, unstressed vowel sound in the middle again, but the ending is LNT, not VNT. So we're going to say this like prevalent, prevalent, prevalent. All right, do you feel good about these words? I know I often don't talk about the definitions of these words, but I'm assuming that you have that already, and I just focus on pronunciation. So if you need to know the definitions of those words, feel free to look them up on showmeword.com. That's my dictionary of choice because it has IPA transcriptions of the words, and there's a recording of someone saying the word. All right, well, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Engage with my channel. It helps me reach more listeners. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks!